Gemini app is the Google's latest AI language model featured on smartphones. However, it automatically replaces your preferred assistant. Here is how you can revert to using Google Assistant for voice commands. After installing Gemini, the app automatically becomes the default voice assistant for your Android devices. Unfortunately, this feature switches from Google Assistant without asking for consent. While this might not seem like a big issue, Gemini is still in its growth stage and falls short as a virtual assistant, especially when compared to Google Assistant's ability to seamlessly control smart home devices and perform various tasks. Follow these steps to switch back to Google Assistant. Open the Gemini app on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture and select Settings. Scroll down and choose Digital Assistant from Google. At the bottom, select Google Assistant. Now, when you say "Hey Google" or press and hold the power button, Google Assistant will resume as your default assistant, restoring its full functionality to your device. As long as Gemini app is installed, you can switch back or utilize Gemini's language model within the app itself. However, hardware shortcuts will only access Google Assistants. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.